Welcome back to Car Fandom. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a legend reborn, the Suzuki Hayabusa Gen 3, a superbike that has defined speed for decades, now redesigned with cutting-edge technology, aerodynamic perfection, and track-ready performance. In this video, we'll explore every angle: the commanding front, the streamlined side, the aggressive rear, the rider-focused cockpit, the powerhouse engine, and of course, the pricing. By the end, you'll see why the Hayabusa remains an icon of both performance and style, and why the Gen 3 continues to set hearts racing. The Suzuki Hayabusa needs no introduction. Its name alone evokes speed, precision, and pure adrenaline. The third generation takes everything that made the Hayabusa legendary and elevates it with a 1,340 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine that produces 190 horsepower at 9,700 revolutions per minute, with 150 Nm of torque at 6,900 revolutions per minute. The bike's chassis is a refined aluminum twin-spar frame, optimized for rigidity and stability at top speeds. Aerodynamics are meticulously engineered. The Gen 3 features redesigned fairings and a more refined nose to reduce drag and maximize airflow, making it faster and more stable than ever before. Even when standing still, the Hayabusa exudes presence, muscular lines, aggressive stance, and that unmistakable silhouette that's recognized worldwide. From the front, the Gen 3 Hayabusa is an icon reborn. Its dual LED projector headlights pierce the darkness, flanked by a more aggressive aerodynamic cowl that channels air efficiently over the engine and rider. The integrated winglets aren't just for looks. They create downforce at high speeds, keeping the front wheel planted even when pushing beyond limits. The front suspension, featuring KYB inverted forks, is fully adjustable, allowing riders to tailor the ride for street or track. Every curve and contour has been designed for stability and airflow, ensuring the Hayabusa not only looks fast but performs like it's already moving even at rest. The side profile of the Hayabusa Gen 3 is nothing short of breathtaking. Its elongated and sculpted body conveys speed even when stationary. Carbon fiber panels reduce weight and enhance rigidity, while the aerodynamic tail tapers perfectly into the exhaust, emphasizing the bike's race-inspired design. The rear wheel is massive, gripping the tarmac with confidence, ready to unleash the torque of the 1,340 cubic centimeters inline-4. The exhaust system, redesigned for performance and sound, produces a deep, resonant note that echoes the engine's might. Every line, from the tank to the tail, is a deliberate statement of power, control, and elegance. From behind, the Gen 3 Hayabusa commands respect. The LED taillight is slim and sharply defined, complementing the tapering tail section for optimal aerodynamics. The rear tire, wide and aggressive, ensures traction that matches the engine's legendary torque. The single-sided swing arm and adjustable rear shock demonstrate Suzuki's attention to high-speed stability, while the rear exhaust outlets hint at the symphony of power waiting to be unleashed. From this perspective, the Hayabusa isn't just a superbike, it's a sculpted statement of engineering and speed. Step into the cockpit, and you're greeted by an interface designed for control, information, and connection. The full-color TFT display shows everything from speed, RPM, and gear selection to riding modes, traction control settings, and lap times, all readable at a glance. The clip-on handlebars and rear-set foot pegs position the rider for maximum control and comfort at high speeds. Every button, every lever, and every switch is ergonomically placed for quick access, allowing the rider to adapt instantly to changing conditions. The Gen 3 Hayabusa's cockpit isn't just functional, it's immersive, giving the rider a direct connection to the power and precision beneath them. At the heart of the Hayabusa Gen 3 lies its 1,340 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, a masterpiece of engineering designed for raw speed and reliability. Producing 190 horsepower at 9,700 revolutions per minute and 150 Nm of torque at 6,900 revolutions per minute, the engine is both linear and exhilarating, with a broad torque curve that makes acceleration smooth yet explosive. The counterbalanced crankshaft minimizes vibration while enhancing stability, and the fuel injection system ensures precise throttle response. Electronics such as traction control, ABS, and ride-by-wire throttle allow riders to extract every ounce of performance safely. The exhaust emits a deep, commanding note, a sound synonymous with Hayabusa, signaling speed, performance, and mastery. Of course, excellence comes at a premium. The Suzuki Hayabusa Gen 3 starts around $22,000 to $24,000 US, depending on options and market. But this isn't just a motorcycle. It's a legacy, a high-performance machine that bridges the gap between street and track. A bike that offers adrenaline, style, and engineering in equal measure. The Suzuki Hayabusa Gen 3 is more than a superbike. It's a legend reborn, combining cutting-edge technology, aerodynamic precision, and a powerhouse engine that thrills and inspires. Every curve, every vent, every line tells a story of speed, control, and engineering excellence. From the commanding front to the sculpted rear, through the immersive cockpit to the throaty roar of its engine, the Hayabusa continues to define what a superbike should be. For riders seeking performance, precision, and a machine that inspires awe at every glance, the Gen 3 Hayabusa isn't just a bike. It's an icon, a statement, and an unforgettable experience. Thanks for joining us here at Car Fandom, where speed, engineering, and passion converge.